Hello guys, I am from Gaugras, Math Sub. I shall explain question number 10 that has been taken from exercise 6.2, chapter 6, application of derivative NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, prove that the logarithmic function is strictly increasing on open interval 0, infinite open interval. Now here I shall write solution. Implied that here in the question it says prove that the logarithmic function. So we have to locate any logarithmic function. So here I shall write let f of x equal to log x. Here I shall write where log x is a logarithmic function. The logarithmic function f of x equal to log x is strictly increasing on open interval 0, infinite open interval. Here it says strictly increasing. Here I shall write since f of x is strictly increasing on open interval 0, infinite open interval. Hence f dash of x must be greater than 0. This is the theorem you must remember. F of x is strictly increasing, then first order derivative of f of x is f dash x will be greater than 0. This is the theorem you must remember. Now here I have let now f of x equal to log x. F of x equal to log x, with the help of this function I shall get first order derivative of f of x, f dash of x I shall get. So here I shall write differentiating f of x wrt x. Here I shall write implied that d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of log x. Implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. Here it says f dash x must be greater than 0, then f of x will be strictly increasing on open interval 0, infinite open interval. Here I shall explain the interval open interval 0 comma infinite open interval means x belong to open interval 0 comma infinite open interval, imply that the value of x equal to 1, 2, 3, where dot dot dot, where x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to infinite. So x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, dot 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 I shall put in this function. So here we have got f dash of x equal to 1 over x. Put x equal to 1. So we shall get, put x equal to 1, then f dash of 1 comes out to be 1 over 1, implied that f dash of 1 equal to 1, implied that f dash of 1 greater than 0. Here again I shall write, put x equal to 2, then f dash of 2 comes out to be 1 over 2, implied that f dash of 2 comes out to be 1 over 2, implied that f dash of 2 again greater than 0. Again I shall put x equal to 3, then f dash of 3 comes out to be 1 over 3, implied that f dash of 3 comes out to be 1 over 3, implied that again f dash of 3 will be greater than 0. So here you can see f dash of 1 greater than 0, f dash of 2 greater than 0, f dash of 3 greater than 0. Hence I can write here very well. Hence when x equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, dot dot, then f dash x is greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing on open interval 0 comma infinite open interval. That's all. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 10, exercise 6.2, that has been taken from chapter 6, application of derivative of NCERT 12 mathematics. Please go through the explanation and solution given in each steps I have explained fully in detail. Please remember the things. NCERT 12 board has not been over till now. Someday in July or August, NCERT will conduct 12 board exam. For that purpose, explanation and solution of these questions will be more and more important for you all guys. Okay, thanks.